people excited about it. How you guys doing back there? All right, this is one of those vertical lift hills, and they scare the bejesus out of me. All right, wait for it. Here we go. I can see the chain going. These are terrifying. I'm almost more scared of this lift hill than I am the rest of the damn ride. So, oh crap, here we go. Oh, pro tip, have nothing in your pockets right about now, because it will belong to the park momentarily. Oh crap.
Seriously, listen to that.
Oh man. Oh, I can feel all the blood rushing to my brain. And there's not much brain left. Here we go, guys.
Oh,
on the count of 3, oh crap. Wait's not over yet. All right, how was that, guys? All right, everybody, we're here riding Typhoon over at Bobbejaanland. We're in Belgium. I've got a whole train full of people excited about it. How you guys doing back there? All right, this is one of those vertical lift hills, and they scare the bejesus out of me. All right, wait for it. Here we go. I can see the chain going. These are terrifying. I'm almost more scared of this lift hill than I am the rest of the damn ride. So, ah crap, here we go. Oh! Pro tip, have nothing in your pockets right about now, because it will belong to the park momentarily. Oh crap.
Seriously, listen to that.
Oh man. Oh, I can feel all the blood rushing to my brain. And there's not much brain left. Here we go, guys. On the count of 3, oh crap. Oh crap! Oh my god! This ride has so much crazy G-forces. If you're seeing the camera going wonky like this, I did that on purpose. Oh! There's 2 of those things. Oh my god! Whee! This ride never lets up. Oh my god, here we go. This is an intense little ride. And oh crap, here comes another one of these loopy-loopy moments. Oh! Whee! Oh man. Oh, wait's not over yet. Little tiny dip. All right, how was that, guys? All right, that's Typhoon. Wait, it was Typhoon, right? Yeah, Typhoon, right? Oh my god. Oh, I went upside down way too many times. All right, here at Bobbejaanland in Belgium, come and ride this coaster. It's awesome. Say goodbye, everyone. Bye.